Tinutukan sa report na inilabas ng Statistics Canada Webes ang sitwasyon ng condominium apartment market noong 2022 sa ilan sa mga malalaking syudad tulad ng Vancouver at Toronto. Bukod sa mga presyo ng units na hindi nalalayo sa presyo noong kasagsagan ng pandemya, naging pagsubok lalo sa first-time home buyers ang mataas na interest rates.
Maraming projects that was delayed or yung iba hindi talaga natutuloy dahil, first-time home buyers or investors have lost confidence.
Pero matapos ang 2 taon,
Right now, actually, it was just released, the statistics from last month. The home prices that was sold, it spiked up to 8.5%. And this data is from the Toronto Real Estate Board. So that is great news. And this is brought about, yung interest rate that just decreased starting last June.
bagamat paunti-unti ang tuloy-tuloy namang pagbaba ng interest rate ng Bangko Sentral ang isa sa mga nagtutulak para raw mabigyang pag-asa ang mga naghahangad makabili ng kanilang tahanan. Batay sa mga naging kliyente mula sa komunidad, karaniwan na raw ang pagsisimula sa mga apartment o kondo.
Nag-start sila sa condo and then 3 to 5 years, they upgrade. Meron din naman iilan na, that has a higher income, so mas naa-afford nila yung townhome, However, right now, with the condo market, magandang market ngayon sa condominium. Why? Because sobrang daming inventory ngayon in Toronto na last year I just sold some like a 1+1 then for 575. Now I do have one buyer who bought it for 540.
Positibong senyales man daw ang sunod-sunod na rate cuts. Ayon sa isang mortgage agent, mas mahirap naman makakuha ng pre-approval ngayon kumpara noong mga nakalipas na taon.
Around that time kasi, during 2022, the interest rates are much lower. So getting a pre-approval is a lot easier when you're buying a pre-construction property. It's kind of hard to get an approval right now. It's it's almost impossible, I would say, dito sa Toronto, to even get approved for a $650,000 pre-construction with a $100,000 income.
Paalala ng mga eksperto sa mga nagbabalak ng pasukin ng housing market ngayon.
Don't go over whatever is pre-approved. Kung gusto mo ng certain home that would really, really fit what you want and what you need, then probably, you can wait.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.